I just picked up a Raspberry Pi cluster case rack, and I just needed it for somewhere to put my Pis. Usually have a lot of them and they're in the same area. This is available for either 4 Pis or 8 Pis. It also works with the Jetson Nano, but you might need a lower profile heatsink if you want to stack several of them in there. This comes with an SD card extension so that you have access to the card from the front of the board. And it's mainly composed of sheets of acrylic on which you just secure each one of the single board computers. Once they're all secure, you put it into the side piece of acrylic and you get each one of the shelves, I'm going to call them, stacked in there along with the fan. And once that's all in place, you just go ahead and put the other sheet on the other side. And then everything is secured in place with some threaded bolts and some screws, and that's pretty much it. You can optionally connect the fan and the lighting or not connect either one of them, or one or both if you choose. But after that, it's good to go. Now I just need to figure out what I'm going to do about the antenna wires that I have for my Jetson Nano.